The Miele 30-inch all-gas Pro range has long been one of the most reliable and well-featured appliances. But is this still true? In this video, you'll learn all the best features and a few problems of their 30-inch all-gas Pro range. We cover the dual fuel in another video. Then we'll briefly compare Miele to Wolf, JennAir, BlueStar, Thermador and Hestan, including reliability based on 37,061 service calls logged by our service department just last year. Miele is one of the last major manufacturers to produce a Pro range. It's a product designed to be extremely competitive when introduced in 2014. The burner output was excellent back then at 19,000 BTU max output. They also offer the twin convection for even cooking. Miele still has the hottest infrared boiler at 23,000 BTU. The average for the industry is 18 to 20,000 BTU. At 23,000, it's similar to a Pro Grill sear burner, so it's hot and will sear quickly. It is the most cleanable with self-cleaning in the oven. Only a few Pro brands offer self-cleaning in all gas. And the racks are also designed to withstand the heat of the self-cleaning cycle, so you don't have to remove them and wash them separately. The stove grates are also dishwasher safe. So it's pretty competitive when you consider output, stove performance, and cleanability. The burners are not the hottest anymore, with newer brands like Hestan and BlueStar being measurably hotter at 23 and 25,000 BTU. Wolf and JennAir offer two 20,000 BTU along with more total output. Their twin convection is similar to JennAir. Most still have single convection. If the future is smart cooking and app functionality, then Miele should at least get started. Their all-gas Pro also lacks the Master Chef functionality of their own dual fuel model with automatic cooking programs as well as steam assist to bake breads and caramelized foods. Miele's all-gas range is the most reliable at 9% in the first year. Granted, that's a much smaller sample than the industry average for Pro range at 13%. You'll probably need service within 5 years on any Pro, so you may want to make sure there is service for Miele or any other brand in your area. It depends what you're looking for. Burners could be a bit more powerful, doesn't have Wi-Fi technology, which could evolve over time to be a truly good feature. It also lacks the Master Chef functionality and steam assist feature of their dual fuel range. However, Miele does offer a good array of features if you use your range. The broiler is excellent. The oven should deliver even heat with its twin convection. The range is also easy to clean and has self-cleaning racks. So buying Miele depends on how much output you need on the top and whether you use advanced technology versus a better oven and a more cleanable range. As always, make sure Miele or any other brand can be serviced in your area. Click the link in the description below to download our free Pro Cooking Buying Guide and to learn more about popular units with in-depth comparisons of all the most popular brands, answers to frequently asked questions, and buying strategies to save you money. Thanks for watching.